Hello everyone, welcome to Writing Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to write a professional and winning web developer resume, and we're going to go step by step using a complete real example, so you can follow along easily and confidently. So first, what exactly is a web developer resume? A web developer resume is a professional document that highlights your ability to design, build, and maintain websites and web applications. It focuses on both front-end and back-end skills, as well as your ability to create responsive, user-friendly, and high-performing websites. Employers are looking for developers who can write clean code, improve website performance, and create a great user experience. That's why your resume should clearly show your technical skills, creativity, and measurable results. Now let's break everything down step by step. Header and contact information. Let's start with the very top of the resume. What should you write here? You always begin with your full name, Nathan Brooks. This should be clear and easy to read because it's the first thing employers will see. Make sure your name stands out at the top of your resume. Next, the address. 6241 Harborview Drive, Miami, FL 33101, United States. This helps employers understand your location. Then your phone number, 305 555 8174. This must be correct and active so employers can contact you. After that, your email, nathan.brooks@email.com. Always use a professional email with your real name. Next, your LinkedIn, linkedin.com/in/Nathan Brooks. This adds professionalism. Then your portfolio, www.nathanbrookswebdev.com. This is very important because it shows your actual projects and work. Finally, your GitHub, github.com/Nathan Brooks. This allows employers to see your code and technical ability. For tip, always make sure your portfolio and GitHub are updated and working properly. Professional summary. Now let's move to the professional summary. Here is the full sample. Creative and detail-oriented web developer with over 5 years of experience building responsive and user-friendly websites and web applications. Skilled in front-end and back-end development with a strong focus on performance, usability, and clean code. Proven ability to deliver high-quality projects that improve user engagement and business results. Now let's break this down sentence by sentence. The first sentence says, creative and detail-oriented web developer with over 5 years of experience building responsive and user-friendly websites and web applications. This introduces who you are and your experience. Words like creative and detail-oriented are very important in web development. The second sentence says, skilled in front-end and back-end development with a strong focus on performance, usability, and clean code. This highlights your technical strengths and development approach. The final sentence says, proven ability to deliver high-quality projects that improve user engagement and business results. This shows impact and results, which employers value. For tip, keep your summary short, clear, and focused on both skills and results. Core skills. Now let's look at the core skills section. Here's the full sample. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, front-end development, React, Vue.js, back-end development, Node.js, Express, responsive web design, API integration, database management, MySQL, MongoDB, version control, Git, GitHub, debugging and testing, performance optimization, UI/UX principles. This section gives a quick overview of your abilities. For example, HTML, CSS, JavaScript are the foundation of web development. Front-end development shows you can build interfaces. Back-end development shows server-side skills. Responsive web design ensures websites work on all devices. Performance optimization shows you can improve speed and efficiency. For tip, keep this section easy to scan so recruiters can quickly see your strengths. Professional experience. Now we move to the most important section, professional experience. Let's start with the first role. Here is the full sample. Senior Web Developer, Blue Wave Digital, Miami, Florida. March 2021 to present. Developed and maintained responsive websites and web applications. This shows your main responsibility. Improved website performance by 35% through optimization techniques. This shows measurable results. Collaborated with designers to create user-friendly interfaces. This highlights teamwork and UI/UX focus. Integrated AP is to enhance functionality and user experience. This shows technical depth, led front-end development projects, and ensured timely delivery. This shows leadership and responsibility. Now let's look at the second role. Web Developer, SunTech Solutions, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, June 2018 to February 2021. Built dynamic websites using modern JavaScript frameworks. This shows your development skills. Ensured cross-browser compatibility and mobile responsiveness. This highlights quality and usability. Fixed bugs and improved website functionality. This shows problem-solving. Increased page load speed by 25% through code optimization. This shows measurable improvement. Worked closely with clients to meet project requirements. This shows communication skills. Now the third role, Junior Web Developer, Creative Code Studio, Miami, Florida, January 2016 to May 2018. Assisted in website development and maintenance. This shows your early experience. Wrote clean and efficient code for front-end features. This highlights coding skills. Supported senior developers in debugging and testing. This shows teamwork and learning. Maintained website content and updates. This shows responsibility. For tip, always use action verbs and include measurable results when possible. Education. Now let's look at education. Here is the full sample. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, University of Florida. Graduated 2015. This section shows your academic background and foundation in development. For tip, keep it simple and clear. Technical skills. Now let's look at technical skills. Here is the full sample. Languages: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Frameworks: React, Vue.js. Backend: Node.js, Express. Databases: MySQL, MongoDB. Tools: Git, GitHub, VS Code. This section organizes your technical expertise clearly. For tip, group your skills like this to make it easier to read. Key achievements. Next is key achievements. Here's the full sample. Improved website performance by 35% through optimization. This shows strong results. Increased user engagement through responsive design improvements. This shows impact on users. Delivered multiple high-quality projects on time. This shows reliability. This section helps you stand out. Projects. Now let's look at projects. Here is the full sample. Portfolio website. Designed and developed a personal portfolio website. This shows initiative. Showcased projects and skills using responsive design. This highlights presentation and design skills. Improved online visibility and client engagement. This shows impact. E-commerce website. Built a full-stack e-commerce platform. This shows advanced skills. Integrated payment systems and product management features. This highlights functionality. Enhanced user experience with intuitive navigation. This shows user-focused design. Projects are very important because they show real work and practical skills. Languages. Finally, let's look at languages. Here is the full sample. English, fluent. Spanish, intermediate. This shows your ability to communicate in different environments. For tip, always be honest about your level. So to recap, a strong web developer resume should include clear contact information, a strong summary, relevant technical and core skills, detailed experience with measurable results, education, achievements, and projects. Remember, employers are looking for developers who can build efficient, user-friendly websites and deliver real results. Make sure your resume clearly shows your skills and impact. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you around.